how to use Squarespace.com easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Squarespace.com, which is a website building platform offering easy to use tools for creating professional and visually appealing websites. It provides a variety of customizable templates and drag and drop features, making it accessible for users without coding skills. Squarespace also includes integrated hosting and domain services, ensuring a seamless website management experience. With its user-friendly interface and design-centric approach, Squarespace is popular among individuals, businesses, and creatives looking to establish an online presence. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. We have here the products that they offer, like the website overview, website templates for portfolios, for blogs, and so on. We have here the sell anything section, e-commerce overview, templates for sellers, sell products, sell services, and so on. And here if you want to build your brand, marketing overview, email marketing, SEO tools, creator tools, logo maker. Here we have the templates that are available in this platform. You can see and browse through the templates. If you like them, you can proceed to create your own one in the platform. So this is the templates that we have in the platform. You can add one to your favorites, or you can check it from here if you want to preview it. So you can preview the theme from here. You can choose to see from the tablet or from the phone, or you can choose to see the view the demo site. So this is how this theme looks. As you can see, it's a pretty decent theme. So let's go back and create our free trial. Let's go to the main page and let's get started. If you already have an account, you can just hit login. If not, let's create our new account. So before creating our new account, we need to choose one of these themes to get started with. So let's choose one of these themes. So I'm going with this one. It's pretty simple, as you can see. So let's start with this theme. Start with Ventura. It's the name of the theme. So we wait for them to set things up. You can continue with your Google account or with your email. So I'm going to continue with my Google account and get back with you. So after creating your account, they ask you for a name to your website. I'm going to give it this name and then hit continue. So you can edit pages. Next, you're going to create pages and let's get started. So here we have the message that says our trial ends in 14 days. If you want to upgrade, you can just hit subscribe from here. If not, you just ignore it. So this is our website. This is how it looks in the desktop view. Let's see the mobile view. So this is how it looks in the mobile. If you want to change the site styles, we click here and we can change the site styles from fonts to colors to animations to spacing, buttons, image blocks. You can change pretty much everything. So here if you want to change the fonts, we can choose any fonts we like. then change the headings, paragraphs, buttons, miscellaneous, assign styles, and if you want to reset the font back. So we can change anything we want from this place. Animation also, none, fade, scale, slide, clip, flex. We have a variety of options. So after we change everything we want to change, like this, let's hit secondary. Let's change from square to round. And hit apply to all, and then after changing you just click save to save the changes. So here after we changed everything we want to change, we hit exit, and here you can see the website. You click the website where you can see the main navigation. If you want to remove any page, stockits, contact page, about section, shop section, here do not linked, the home section, close this one, utilities, system pages, website tools. Also let's check the website tools. We have the custom CSS, code injection, mobile information bar, cookies, and visitor data. So let's exit this page. Here we have the commerce. To get started, tell us where you're selling today. So you tell them where you're selling your products. So if you are selling Facebook, you select Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you select as much as you're selling in, and then you will be able to set up your pixels, and you can see the information of your commerce. Here you have, if you want to add products to your store, you click add products. You can select the kind of products, if it's a physical, digital download, membership, scheduling, video on demand, gift card, service. Here you can, if you want to set the payment processors, and if you want to choose a subscription plan, and here if you want to publish your website to start selling. And here we have the orders, where you can see your orders. As you can see, we have no orders yet. You can see all methods, all or status or pending, fulfilled, cancelled, depends on the way of the product. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.